this book is It's Christmas, David, by David Shannon. At Christmas time, everyone always said, "No, David." Look, David is holding coal. No peeking. No snitching. Those are not toys. I don't think David is supposed to play with all those ornaments. Santa's watching, David. Be patient. I don't think David can be patient in that long line. Do you? Hurry up! I think now it's Santa's turn to be patient. Wow, let's check out David's list. It looks so long. It says bicycle, fire engine, spaceship, and now let's look over here. Tank, parachute, Bigfoot, candy, and I can't read over there, and sled, suit of armor, Ferrari. I think he's gonna get a toy Ferrari. He can't get a real one. He can't even drive. Lightsaber. I don't think he should get a lightsaber. Big dog. Rocket, and his list keeps on going. Maybe it even touches the floor. Naughty list, naughty list, naughty list. David. Santa's gonna bring you a lump of coal. I think David threw a snowball and broke someone else's window. Don't start yet. Seat your grandmother. No yawning at the dinner table. That's the wrong fork. Sit up straight. Don't reach. Put your napkin in your lap. Get your elbows off the table. No, David. You may not open one early. If he opens one early, he will know what present it is, and when he wakes up on Christmas morning, he has one present less. Go to sleep, David. I don't think David is getting any sleep. He's looking out the window to see if Santa is coming. No Christmas for you, David. Look, David has a letter. Dear David, sorry, you were naughty. Love, Santa. And look, there's a lump of coal. David looks very sad. Wake up, David. You are dreaming. David looks so excited. I think he's going to open all his presents on the next page. Yes, David, it's Christmas. David got a bike. He got so many more presents. And look over there. He's eating cookies. And over there, he's checking in a stocking. And over there, he's reading a book. And his letter is, Dear David, Merry Christmas. Love, Santa. The end. What is your favorite part of the story? My favorite part of the story is where David has such a long list for Santa Claus. Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood. Baking Day. Hi, neighbor. We're helping Baker Acre today, Daniel Tiger said. "We are going to bake cookies," said Prince Wednesday. They both wanted to make cookies shaped like trolleys. Baker Aker had a recipe. "First we need 1 stick of butter," he said. Daniel added the butter. Prince Wednesday started to dance as he added the sugar. Oh no! He bumped into the table and spilled the milk. Baker Aker sang, "It's okay to make mistakes. Try to fix them and learn from them too." Prince Wednesday cleaned up while Daniel got more milk. "I fixed my mistake and learned to be more careful," Prince Wednesday said. He stood still and added the milk without spilling it. Next, Baker Aker added an egg. Then Daniel added flour. "Now we mix," said Baker Aker. Soon they had dough. They rolled it out. Baker Aker gave them cookie cutters shaped like trolleys. They made the cookies and placed them on a baking sheet. Then Daniel dropped the cookie. "How do I fix it?" he asked. "You can mix it back in with your dough to make a new cookie," Baker Aker said. Daniel fixed his mistake and learned a baking secret. Baker Aker put the cookies in the oven. After they were baked, the cookies had to cool. When Baker Aker moved the cookies off the tray, the trolley wheels broke. To fix the mistake, he used round candies to make new wheels. Soon the cookies looked like trolleys. Sometimes mistakes can be a good thing, Daniel said. Ugga mugga. The end. What is your favorite part of the story? My favorite part of the story is where the wheels broke off, but they could use round candies to make it look more like trolley. Turkey Claus. Thanksgiving was over and Turkey was safe. But then he overheard Farmer Jake and his wife Edna talking about what to have for Christmas dinner. And guess what was at the top? "I do love a nice turkey dinner," said Edna. "Oh no," thought Turkey, "not again." But Turkey had an idea. The children had mailed their Christmas wishes to Santa Claus. Maybe Turkey could ask Santa for a Christmas wish too. A wish that he would not be eaten for Christmas dinner. But it was too late to mail his wish to Santa. Turkey would have to go see Santa himself, North Pole. Turkey arrived to Santa's village. "Excuse me," said Turkey. "Where can I find Santa?" "No one sees Santa the day before Christmas," said an elf. Too busy making his list and checking it twice. "Oh, gobble, gobble," said Turkey. But looking around gave Turkey a new idea. What if he didn't look like a turkey? What if he looked like a Christmas tree? Surely a Christmas tree could get to see Santa. His costume wasn't bad, in fact. Turkey looked just like a Christmas tree. Almost. Ho, ho, hold it! Cried an elf. No turkeys in Santa's village. You have to go back to the farm. How do you know it was me? Asked Turkey. Trees don't have legs, said the elf. Oh, gobble, gobble, groaned Turkey. Turkey looked around. I've got it, he thought. Surely a reindeer could get to see Santa. His costume wasn't bad, in fact. Turkey looked just like a reindeer. Almost. Hold your hooves, cried an elf. No turkeys allowed in Santa's village today. You have to go back to the farm. Oh, gobble, gobble, said Turkey. How could he tell it was me? Asked Turkey. Reindeers don't have wings, said the elf. Oh, gobble, gobble, moaned Turkey. I've got to see Santa. But Turkey looked around for another idea. Candy will be loaded into Santa's sleigh. I've got it, he thought. Surely a candy cane will be allowed inside with Santa. His costume wasn't that, in fact. Turkey looked just like a candy cane. Almost. Wait a merry minute, cried an elf. Turkeys are not candy. You have to go back to the farm. How could you tell it was me? Said Turkey. Candy canes don't have beaks, said the elf. Oh, gobble, gobble, howled Turkey. I just have to see Santa. Turkey looked around. He saw Mrs. Claus bring a plate of cookies to the elves. Surely Mrs. Claus could get to see Santa. His costume wasn't bad, in fact. Turkey looked just like Mrs. Claus. Almost. Turkey walked up to Santa's house and elf opened the door. Snow way, said the elf. No turkeys getting in here today. How did you recognize me? Wailed Turkey. Mrs. Claus doesn't have feathers, said the elf. Oh, gobble, gobble, Turkey sighed. I'm almost out of time. I'll never get to ask Santa for my wish. Turkey looked around desperately for one last idea. Then he saw it. His costume wasn't bad. In fact, it was his best yet. Ding dong! An elf brought the box. What's this? Said Santa. A present for me? Out popped Turkey. Merry Christmas! He cried. Gobble gobble. Ho ho ha ha! Laughed Santa. What are you doing here, Turkey? Turkey explained his Christmas wish. Santa smiled. I think I have the just right disguise for you. And he did. It was Turkey's best Christmas ever. On Earth, love Turkey. The end. What is your favorite part of the story? My favorite part of the story is where Turkey got disguised as Santa.